Is it the right time to buy or sell Ford stock? Welcome back. Today, we're taking a deep dive into Ford, providing you with an even more detailed analysis than our initial report published on our website on Friday, November 17, 2023. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. By doing so, you won't miss any crucial updates that could significantly impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and gain access to free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Lastly, please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 15, 2023, our system has identified Ford as a sell candidate with a score of -2.32. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a loss of -1.91%. This means that, on average, it has been declining by -0.64% per day since it was listed as a sell candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a downward trend in the short term and is expected to continue falling. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a potential decrease of -17.54% predicted over the next 3 months. The expected return falls between -23.91% and -9.74%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected -7.36% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from -12.76% to 34.35%. This would result in a price range of $8.96 to $13.80 after 1 year. Our latest update on Ford stock reveals some positive news. On Friday, the stock experienced a green day, gaining 1.08%. During the last trading day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $10.19 and a high of $10.32. It closed at $10.27, showing a slight increase from the previous day's price of $10.16. It's worth noting that the stock has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of -2.75% over that period. Additionally, the volume of shares traded decreased by -12 million shares on the last day, with a total of 32 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $331.03 million. This decrease in volume on higher prices could indicate a potential divergence and serve as an early warning for possible changes in the upcoming days. Let's now look at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks. The highest price reached was $15.42, while the lowest was $9.63. Currently, the stock price is 33.4% below its 52-week high, which is a difference of $5.15. Moreover, it is 60.3% below its all-time high of $25.87, which was recorded on January 13, 2022. Analyst Ratings. On Wednesday, November 1, 2023, Burrell & Company upgraded Ford's rating to overweight. On Wednesday, November 1, 2023, Barclays also upgraded Ford's rating to overweight. On Wednesday, October 25, 2023, UBS initiated coverage on Ford with a buy rating. On Tuesday, August 1, 2023, Daiwa maintained a neutral rating on Ford with a hold action. On Friday, July 7, 2023, Morgan Stanley upgraded Ford's rating to overweight while recommending a hold action. Analysts have overwhelmingly given Ford stock a strong buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as also a strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts are more cautious, giving the stock a neutral rating. Let's take a look at the signals for Ford. On Thursday, November 9, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 5.88%. This indicates a potential for further rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD). However, it's important to note that volume fell during the last trading day despite the price gain. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning. We should closely monitor the stock. Some negative signals have also been identified, which may influence the near short-term development. While the short-term moving average suggests a buy signal for the Ford stock, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. This suggests a more negative forecast for the stock. If the stock continues to gain, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $11.04. Conversely, if the stock falls, it will find some support from the short-term average at $10.10. If the stock breaks above the long-term average, it will provide another buy signal. On the other hand, a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator shows a buy signal. The pivots indicator shows a buy signal 7 days ago. The Bollinger Bands indicator shows a buy signal 15 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 29 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 32 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the following. The short moving average indicates a sell signal 36 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal 74 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 66 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Ford. Ford stock has found support from accumulated volume at $9.96. This means that when the stock price reaches this level, there is a potential buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction. However, please note that this stock is considered to be high risk due to its volatility. Speaking of volatility, Ford stock can move quite a bit during the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval, reinforcing the idea that this stock carries a higher level of risk. Looking at the recent performance, we can see that in the last day, the stock had a price difference of $0.130 between its highest and lowest points, which is equivalent to a 1.27% change. And over the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.47%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Ford, let's quickly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower PE ratio may suggest that the market has lower expectations for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, which could present a potential buying opportunity. Moving on to other news, Ford's next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings are at $0.180. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly influence stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing some important day trading levels for Ford. If Ford experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $11.96. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before considering entering a position. However, if you already own the stock, this could be a potential level to consider for swing trading. On the other hand, if Ford faces a downward movement, it will encounter its initial support level at $9.96. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound in the price. The consensus rating for Ford from multiple analysts is strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 14, 2023, English Alexandra Ford made an insider purchase of 3,326 shares of Class B stock, with a par value of 1 cent. On November 14, 2023, English Alexandra Ford made another insider purchase of 6,652 shares of Class B stock, with a par value of 1 cent. On November 14, 2023, Ford William Clay Jr. sold 24,945 shares of Class B stock, with a par value of 1 cent. On November 14, 2023, Ford William Clay Jr. made an insider purchase of 3,326 shares of Class B stock, with a par value of 1 cent. On November 14, 2023, Ford William Clay Jr. made another insider purchase of 1,663 shares of Class B stock, with a par value of 1 cent. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 39.399. Overall, insiders have purchased 3,645,028 shares and sold 1,609,128 shares in the last 100 trades. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock, and it is important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is it worth investing in Ford stock? Unfortunately, Ford currently shows several negative signals, indicating weak performance in the near future. Based on our evaluation, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Our analysis of the volatility and recent market movements suggests that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to Monday, November 20th, we anticipate Ford to open with a decrease of $0.0100, starting the trading day at $10.26. Before we begin, a quick reminder: trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest, where we provide you with valuable insights into the stock market. Today, we're taking a closer look at this particular stock. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so please share your opinion in the comments below. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. We genuinely hope you have a successful trading experience and a wonderful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.